Car observed distance 49 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 47 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 41 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 63 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 58 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 83 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 63 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 63 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 46 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 53 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 48 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 62 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 54 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 67 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 60 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 20 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 53 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 54 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 67 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 91 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 51 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 48 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 59 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 15 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 58 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 64 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 60 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 45 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 80 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 73 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 67 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 29 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 62 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 42 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 47 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 98 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 61 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 34 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 58 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 42 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 62 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 67 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 56 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 41 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 59 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 33 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 59 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 58 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 54 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 71 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 58 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 37 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 65 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 43 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 64 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 79 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 73 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 82 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 70 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 30 kilometers per hour. Car observed distance 60 meters moving towards us from left to right, speed 19 kilometers per hour.